What if one simple, free habit could ease pain, reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and lift your mood, especially after 60? It's called grounding or earthing, which is a powerful movement that involves connecting directly with the earth by standing, walking, or sitting barefoot on natural ground. Grounding may sound basic, but research shows it can lower chronic inflammation, improve blood flow, balance stress hormones, and support a healthy sleep cycle. In fact, one clinical study from the World Laparoscopy Hospital found that people who practiced grounding daily experienced lower inflammation and required less medication than those who didn't. Yet most doctors never mention it, not because it's unsafe, but because it isn't taught in med school or sold as a pill. Here's the thing. Most people don't know that wearing shoes all day can throw off your body's natural balance. However, grounding helps reset that by releasing built-up stress. It's simple, free, and you can start today. In this video, we'll show you exactly what grounding is, how it works, and why it's a powerful tool for pain relief, better sleep, and aging well after 60. But that's not all. Stick around to the end, as we'll also share a powerful documentary that has helped thousands feel better naturally. Now let's dive in. Grounding, also called earthing, isn't a weird trend. It simply means touching the earth with your bare skin, such as walking barefoot on grass or lying on the ground. No pills, no devices, just you and the earth. But why does this matter after 60? You see, as we get older, we deal with more pain, stress, poor sleep, and less energy. Our immune system also slows down. However, the earth has a natural charge that can help calm the bad stuff in our bodies. When we touch the ground, tiny natural signals from the earth can help lower stress and reduce damage in our cells, kind of like nature's way of helping us feel better. In fact, research shows that grounding can ease pain, boost blood flow, and balance cortisol, which is the hormone that affects stress and sleep. Now let's explore what science really says about grounding and the studies that support its benefits. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but is there real proof? Fair question, especially when health matters more than ever after 60. A study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, found that grounding can reduce pain, improve sleep, and lower cortisol levels. Even more impressive, researchers used thermal imaging to show visible drops in inflammation after grounding. Other studies link it to lower blood pressure, better heart rate variability, HRV, and faster healing. And why does HRV matter? Because it shows how well your body handles stress. Higher HRV means better recovery, stronger resilience, and more balance, which is a big deal for aging well. And did you know that grounding may help thin your blood slightly? That's super important for seniors since thick blood raises the risk of clots and heart problems. Studies also show that grounding can boost circulation, lift your mood, and reduce fatigue. Even NASA researchers and elite athletes use grounding to reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. If it works for them, then why not you? Here's how it works. Your body builds up extra positive charge, like static electricity. Grounding lets you absorb electrons from the earth, which act like natural antioxidants, calming inflammation and bringing your body back into balance. No gear, no prescription, just your bare feet and a little time outside. Still curious? Let's break it down further by showing you how it's done. And hey, if you're enjoying this deep dive into grounding, kindly smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Grounding is super simple. No gear, no gym, no complex routine. Just step outside and let your bare feet touch grass, soil, sand, or even plain concrete. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a real difference. The best times to ground are in the morning and evening. Morning sunlight gives you vitamin D, while evening grounding helps reset your body clock. Together, they work like a natural reboot for your body and mind. But here's the catch. Most shoes, especially with rubber soles, block the earth's charge. So if you want the full effect, ditch the shoes when you can. Your feet are built for it. And if you can't get outside, don't worry, grounding is still possible. Grounding mats and sheets can bring the Earth's energy indoors. Just plug them into a grounded outlet and use them while you sleep, work, or relax. It's a simple way to stay connected, no matter the weather or location. Now here's the best part. You can boost your grounding session by adding deep breathing or gentle stretching. It helps calm your nervous system and makes the benefits even stronger. And while science is important, real stories often speak louder. When it comes to grounding, the personal results are hard to ignore. So let's dive into a few that really stand out. Many seniors who've tried grounding report less joint pain, deeper sleep, fewer headaches, and a better mood. One 68-year-old woman with arthritis started grounding each morning. Within 2 weeks, her joint stiffness eased, and she finally slept through the night without tossing and turning. That's more than comfort. That's freedom. Another man in his 70s said his daily headaches, which had lasted for years, started fading after a month of grounding. No changes to diet or meds, just barefoot time outside. The reason? Grounding helps calm the nervous system. Studies show it lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that can disrupt sleep and mood. Plus, seniors who ground regularly often feel more balanced, less anxious, and more energized. Grounding may even help regulate serotonin and melatonin, which are important hormones for mood and sleep. It's like nature's way of saying, "I've got you." And the best part? Many people feel the difference in just a few days. Up next, a free documentary that has opened thousands of eyes to the healing power of grounding. You won't want to miss it. If the research and real-world results have caught your attention, then watching the Earthing documentary with Deepak Chopra is a must. In this powerful film, Dr. Chopra and Dara explore how something as simple as barefoot contact with the earth can reset your body's rhythms, reduce inflammation, and improve overall well-being. The first video, Deepak and Dara, on the power of grounding, walks through how earthing resets our biological rhythms and calms inflammation. The second video, What is Grounding? Earthing, with Deepak Chopra, MD, shows how to perform grounding and scientific insight, perfect for anyone curious about aging with vitality. Dr. Deepak Chopra isn't just a physician, he's a global pioneer in mind-body medicine. As a best-selling author of over 90 books and a trusted voice in both Western science and Eastern healing, Dr. Chopra has helped millions rethink what true wellness means. For decades, he's championed the power of practices like meditation, mindfulness, and grounding to transform physical health, emotional balance, and even aging itself. When he speaks, the world listens, and his support of grounding brings both credibility and urgency to this natural healing tool. At the Chopra Center, he even describes grounding as a key to well-being, saying that walking barefoot absorbs free electrons and recharges your battery. We've linked both videos in the description below. Whether you're looking to age with ease or ease daily aches without meds, this documentary is a must-watch. With that being said, grounding isn't just a feel-good idea. It's a simple, powerful way to tap into real health benefits, especially after 60. It can help slow aging and boost physical and mental health, and all without pills or supplements. So what are you waiting for? Kick off your shoes and start grounding today. You could feel the difference in just a few weeks. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried grounding? If so, how did it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover these powerful, natural tools for aging well. Want to stay connected to the latest and greatest tips for healthy aging? Join our growing community of strong, smart, and independent seniors by hitting that subscribe button. We're just getting started. See you in the next video.